No, this has gone through. No, basically, it is cryogenic engine has been functioning earlier in our all the 7 missions, but to put it in Gaganyaan requires much more rigorous testing. So what we are essentially doing is to extend its boundary of operation and test it.
Right.
Not that in actual case it will extend the boundary, but to show the ruggedness of the engine to handle extremities, we widened the boundary of testing and tested it through many tests, tens of tests, under different conditions of vacuum, initial condition, mixture ratio variation, material pressures, etc., and then seen that the engine performs nominally. And there are no anomalies that will come in case of this, and engine is able to handle such conditions. So this is done for every system. Not when you say the engine is tested, that news only came, but behind that there are hundreds of such systems which went through similar tests.
Right. So in terms of a layman's understanding, when we say that it is a human-rated rocket ready now for Gaganyaan, how would you tell a common man who's interested in a Gaganyaan mission?
See, when you say human rated, it means that there are certain principles of human rating. Every rocket is a very reliable rocket because we have enough of margin with our understanding. But those margins are extended beyond that general rocket working. This is one method. Extend the margin of safety of many systems to operate. Extend the boundaries of operations wider so that it has a little more ruggedness. Third element is to bring in ability to understand failures and take corrective actions. So that is called by adding redundancies and failure detection capabilities, reconfiguration capabilities, etc. So this, once you do all of that, then a rocket becomes human rated. But there is something more in manufacturing. After all this design, the manufacturing should also follow the design by strict control on materials, strict control on manufacturing process, very high levels of quality control, high level of auditing, so that human errors and mix-up and other related issues don't crop up into that. Even if you have a good design, if you don't do it properly, it can create failure. So all these are taken up in terms of starting from the every nut bolt to the bigger material. Due care is taken and the process is set in motion so as to ensure its compliance.
So what next now? With this
next generation launching vehicles.
Next is that we are going to make the similar work for the crew module and the rest of the new items which are part of the Gaganyaan program. So we are developing them. We are going to qualify them and test through various unmanned mission test, uncrew test, and also through abort test to see that all of them go through very well. Then take the decision to send the astronaut up.
How ready are they, the astronauts?
They are always ready. Only we are not yet to get ready with the rocket.
And the Vyomitra?
Vyomitra will fly first.
Okay. So what is the preparations for that? Is that ready?
I can only say you won't understand that when I say the preparations are going on for the last many years. It will continue for this year and next year middle.
So what on the next generation launch vehicles?
No answers for it.
What is this private satellite being launched by Tata? There's supposed to be a spy satellite. What is the...
You have to ask them. I am not aware of it.